What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Chuck from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page and draw a large circle inside the hat. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Come all the way around towards the bottom. And then bring that back up towards the top. Let's trace this circle along the inside. So we're going to start back at the top. It's going to leave an even gap all the way around. And then back up. Now along the bottom of that circle on the side, I'm just going to add a trim. We're going to go out and then up towards the side of the hat. And then work our way down along the side of the brim. Come down with a straight angle line on both sides. Now from here, we're just going to bend this down and then in towards the center point. Now from these two top points, we're just going to angle the hat. We're going to go up and then out. And we'll connect these ends with a curve. We're going to come down the middle and then back up. Let's bend the back side of the hat, going up and in with a short line. Now I'm going to place the lid of the hat on top. We're just going to line up at the top edge, step up. Just going to curve this down, go across, and then bend that up. Let's draw a short line going up towards the top. Connect the ends with a curve. We're going to go up and then bend that back down. Let's go back to the side. We're going to add a trim on the front edge of the hat. Now I'm going to trace this area of the hat along the inside. So I'm going to go all the way around, come down the front, and then in on the right. Now we're going to go back down, tuck the eyes in underneath the hat brim. We'll start all the way over on the left. We're going to draw a half circle. We're going to come down and just pull that up on the inside. Line this up on the right. Coming down, go all the way around, and then up. Just push the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now I'm going to go back and draw the top edge of that band. We're going to step up, so I'm going to curve this down and then in towards the side of the circle. And we'll add a button along the side, curving this out and in. And then we'll go back in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, bend this down and in towards the middle, go out and then up. And step down and add a curve for the mouth. Coming down and then up. Let's go to the outside of the eyes and draw on the cheekbones. On the top left, we're going to step out, curve around the eye, and then bend that in. Let's go underneath the cheeks, angle this down and in towards the jaw, and we'll curve the chin, coming down and then in toward the center point. Now before we finish off the head, let's add that pulley over on the left side. We're going to start up here, go out, and then come down with a straight angle line, all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to trace this along the outside. Let's add a rectangle along the bottom. Just going to come down at an angle. Let's round out the corners and come down the side. Round out the bottom corners and go straight across the bottom. Let's trace this rectangle along the inside. And then up here, it's going to separate this with a straight line. Now let's go back and add the sideburns. From the top of the cheek, we're going to step out, curve this around. Now I'm just going to bend that out. Let's add a point, bending this in. And we'll add one more point, coming down and out. And bend this in towards the jaw. Let's tuck the ears along the side. Starting from the top, we're going to go up and out, go in behind. Continue along the bottom, in towards the side of the head. Now we want to add a small fold along the top of the ears. And add some more hair in behind the head. Let's start from the side of the hat brim. Start by going out and up in behind, and go up towards a point. And I want to bend this down and then in towards the ears. Let's add another point. Coming down and up. Bend this down and in, going in towards the earlobes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the top edge of the wheelchair. We're going to start over on the left, draw a straight line going all the way across. Now from here, draw a straight angle line coming down and then out. Let's connect these two lines with a curve going up the middle and then down. Let's go back to the top left, curve this down and then up. Now that we have this in place, we're going to go back and finish off the body. Let's start on the left side of the chin, bend the tie going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add the side of the scarf, coming down and in towards the side. Now going to the top of the scarf, angle the shoulders, coming down and out. Then this down towards the top. Now I'm going to add the jacket collar, going around and then in towards the bottom. Now in the middle, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll add a fold, going up and then down. Along the side, we're just going to bend this out and then down. And I want to wrap this around the side, coming down and in on both sides. Now from the bottom of this line, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going out on both sides. And we'll connect the inside with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Let's bend the side, go out and then down. Now I want to bring this down and in towards the center point along the front. Now from the top, we're going to follow that same curve, coming down and in towards the middle. And I want to trace this along the inside. Let's add a seam coming down the center. And then we'll add 3 ovals on either side. Let's start on the left side, going all the way around and then up. Now we're going to draw one on the inside. And then we'll add one more in between. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back and place the tires along the side. From this line, we're going to step out, angle this down and in behind. And we're going to round out the top of the tire. Follow that same angle line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add a smaller wheel along the outside. I'm going to start by curving the top and the bottom, and then closing off the side with a straight line. Now from the inside of the tire, we're going to step up, draw a straight line coming in along the side. Let's add one small detail along the side. From this point, bend this in and up. I'm going to go up and then out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Chuck from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.